random vids, and today I'll be showing you a trick you can do with just a ping pong ball and a hairdryer. I think that's what you call them, these things. Yeah, these hairdryers. Alright, I think this is the 250 watt. I'll use this one. This is the one that works best, and you need a lightweight ping pong ball like I have here. Or just a ping pong ball. They're all lightweight, I guess, but you can get lightweight ones. Right, so first of all, you want to hold it just on top like that, and you want to just turn it on at least to the first click so it's moving a bit. And then it should float. On full heat, on full blast, this is what it looks like. So that came off, but there's also another way. You can just let it sit around there. That's my favorite thing to do. I used this brand here, and I use this ping pong ball. So yeah, good trick. So yeah, it's a good trick, and you should try it at home if you have one of these hair dryers and a ping pong ball. Please share this video if you think it'd be good for people to know, and like and subscribe.